Alright, welcome back. Second video. First season. Alright. What are we gonna pick today? I think we're gonna pick the 9-volt berry. It's still charged, so let's see what happens. Oh, it still smells of vape smoke. Alright, everything is recording. Let's set it on 4 minutes and see what happens. Still not too much happening actually. Still holding up. Oh shit, something is starting to happen. Oh shit. Oh shit, you see the smoke? Oh damn. Oh, it's smoking. Oh, it's smoking hard right now. Oh shit. My partner just ran away. It's smoking. Oh shit. Oh, it's disintegrating. Look at it. It smells horrible. Oh shit. We got some plasma right here. I want some more plasma. Oh shit, there we go. Oh, there's so much smoke. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, I think this is getting out of hand. I think I need to stop it. Just a little longer. Just a little bit longer. Okay, I think that's enough. Alright. Alright, I need to be careful because the smoke is toxic, everything is toxic, don't do this. Fuck. Shit. So this is what happens when you fucking microwave a battery. Let's get out of here.